Hi, my name is Michael Ross, and I am in GEB 4890, Strategic Management and Decision Making. And this is my service learning assignment. I decided to use the organization of Feeding Tampa Bay. And going into this service learning assignment, I had a few expectations. I wanted to see firsthand the difference that Feeding Tampa Bay is making in the community and what they are actually doing for these people in need. Um, when it comes to my disciplinary skills that I can apply to helping this organization, through my time at USF, I have gained so many skills, whether this is communication skills through different courses such as public speaking or interpersonal communication. I have really grown out of my shell and can really, I can talk to anyone confidently. And I think this would transpire over to being an effective leader in with Feeding Tampa Bay. Um, Pertaining to my major, I'm a marketing major, and through different courses like marketing research, international marketing, as well as this course, strategic management and decision making, I really have tools to advance the overall brand awareness of Feeding Tampa Bay, and I think I can really take them to the next level of feeding even more people. Um, in the future, I really want to spend more time contributing to the community, and my goal is to volunteer with Feeding Tampa Bay every Sunday. This assignment has really opened my eyes to how grateful I am for the things I've been given in my life, and it really showed me that we take so many things for granted, and we really don't appreciate the things we have. And these people are don't even have the privilege of knowing they're going to get their next meal. And so this really made me want to take more role of social responsibility and really contribute. Um, when it comes to Feeding Tampa Bay's mission statement, um, it says as the following. Let me find it here. Feeding Tampa Bay's mission is we can change lives one meal at a time by leading our community in the fight against hunger. And their vision is as the following: a hunger-free Tampa Bay. And I thought this was very effective and it's direct to the point. But when it comes to me making my own, I wanted to add a specific goal. And the one I drafted says, "We change lives one meal at a time by leading our community in the fight against hunger. With your help, we will end hunger in Tampa Bay by 2025." I wanted to add a specific goal to really show these people that we have a goal and it's with their help we can really meet that goal. And same with the vision statement, I just added another specific goal at the end: a hunger-free Tampa Bay by 2025 with your help. So it really gives them that extra push to come forward and contribute to society and help those in need. Um, moving on. Let's see here. Um, when it comes to being a good ethical leader, it's very important to come in with a good attitude and a smile on your face because this really sets the tone for everyone else there. It's really important to be happy when you're there because these people are probably going through a really dark time and a rough time in their lives, and it's important to show them that there's hope and really set the tone for having a good time and providing meals for those in need. When it comes to ethical issues that could happen in a nonprofit, the main thing is coming in with a bad attitude because, I mean, these people are already struggling and you don't want them to feel that they're not welcome, you know? Um, that's the main thing. But this assignment has really opened my eyes and made me become so much more grateful for the things I have. And in the future, I really do plan on contributing much more to society and volunteering with Feeding Tampa Bay. Thank you very much for your time, and that'll do it. Thank you very much.